Ayan, sa mapagpalang araw po, Barangay Mabatid. Actually, I am very happy to be in part of the top 5.
Alright, so ano naman? Nandito mga yung taga-suporta?
So first and foremost, I would like to thank our Almighty God for giving me the strength, the chance to express myself and to present myself tonight. And to my friends, families who came here to support me, thank you very much.
Okay. Wala na pong maingay. Binibili na, here's your question. What role do families play in shaping empowered women? Ano ang papel ng pamilya sa paghubog ng isang empowered na babae? What role do families play in shaping empowered women? Ano ang papel ng pamilya sa paghubog ng isang empowered na babae?
Thank you so much for that very wonderful question. The role of the family into improving the women in today's society is maximizing their full potential. Just like my mom always said to me, that you should try to join the Bini Mamatid because she believes in me. And this is not only impacts me, but all of the women here in Barangay Mamatid. Dahil hindi ka babae lamang, ang babae ay labang. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Bini. Nice.